Hello everyone and welcome back. Do you want to run your own AI models on your computer? Today, we're comparing Ollama and LM Studio, the two most popular tools for running local languages on your PC. Let's find out which one is right for you. Both tools let you run AI models like Llama and Mistral right on your machine. No internet needed, no monthly fees, total privacy. But they're built for different people. LM Studio is a desktop app with a nice interface. You click buttons, download models, and start chatting. It's like using any normal program on your computer. Ollama works from the command line. You type commands in a terminal, it's lighter, faster, and built for developers who want control. LM Studio wins for beginners. You download it, install it, and you're ready. The app shows you all the available models. You click download, pick your settings and sliders, and start chatting. No tech skills needed. Ollama needs a bit more comfort with computers. You install it through the terminal, pull models with commands, and run them. But once you know the basics, it's actually faster. One command and your model is running. Think of LM Studio as your smartphone, easy and friendly, and Ollama is more like a professional camera. More buttons, but more power. Here's where it gets interesting. Speed depends on your computer, not just the tool. On Mac computers with M1, M2, or M3 chips, LM Studio often runs faster. It uses special Apple tech called MLX that makes everything smooth. On Windows PCs with NVIDIA graphics cards, LM Studio also has an edge. It works closely with NVIDIA to squeeze out extra speed, sometimes up to 35% faster. But Ollama can match or beat LM Studio if you know how to set it up right. It uses less memory and loads models quickly. For developers building apps, Ollama is usually the better choice. LM Studio gives you everything in one place: a chat window, model browser, and easy settings. You can adjust how creative the AI is with simple sliders. It even works with tools like Obsidian and VS Code. Ollama is built for integration. It has a REST API that lets you connect it on your own apps. Want to build a chatbot? Ollama makes it simple. It's open source, meaning you can see exactly how it works. LM Studio is closed source. You can peek under the hood, but for most people that doesn't matter. Choose LM Studio if you're new to AI or want something simple, and choose Ollama if you're a developer or comfortable with a terminal. So, at the end of the day, which is better? Neither. They're built for different people. LM Studio is your friendly neighborhood tool, easy, visual, and ready to go. And Ollama is your developer toolkit, fast, flexible, and powerful. Try LM Studio if you want the easiest start, and try Ollama if you want the most control. Both are free, so you can test them yourself and see which fits your style.